Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Two ways you're going to change, honestly. And one is you change a habit. Like when I lost all that weight, obviously I had to change a habit because it took me 50 weeks to do it. You can't just do something quick like that. So you got to change your habits. And that's the power of the made-up mind. Then short focus, burst of energy. Now what I would say on that, guys, is look at September, October, November. You got 3 months there. Okay, I want you guys to be focused on closing 2 to 3 deals in that time span. I'd like you to shoot for 3 deals in the next 3 months. Now, if you're real aggressive, shoot for 5, say 3 to 5, but for sure 3. In the grand scheme of your entire life, let's say you live to be 80. I'm shooting for 100 myself. If you live to 80, how much of your percentage of your life is 3 months? It's not that big along the entire spectrum, but this 3 months can change your life, absolutely change your life. This can be the turning point that you look back on and say August 22nd and 23rd was when my life changed. That's when I made up my mind to do some things differently, and I had a short focused burst of energy following that over the next 3 months. And guys, even if you close one deal, I'm telling you, it will be life-changing.
Average profit nationwide, $30,000.
Yes, it will change your life.
Changer.
You'll realize that you can do it, and then you'll really start doing it. Okay, so if you can really change your life in this next 3 months, and with a short focused burst of energy, it's a winning streak. And what happens when you go through a winning streak like that? You reset your baseline. In fact, sometimes you feel like when I first started, and we started closing a bunch of deals, and we had like 8 deals going all of a sudden, I felt like I was playing way over my head. I thought, what's going on? I don't even halfway know what I'm doing. And you know, all these people are selling me their houses, and I'm out there doing stuff and saying things, and things are happening, but I feel like I'm way over my head. But guess what? I wasn't. I was right on track. And I just sort of said, okay, I'm just going to ride this out. What did I do? I reset my baseline. All of a sudden I was down here. Now all of a sudden I'm up here. I'm a successful real estate investor. I have a whole new baseline. Okay, and that's what that short focused burst of energy is going to do for you over the next 3 months. If you get at least 1 deal, but I want you shooting for 2 or 3, and if you're real aggressive and you get enough leads, 3 to 5. Now, if you can get 20 leads a month at least, I want you to be thinking at least 20 leads, talking to 20 people with a house for sale. That should get you 1 deal. If you're following our scripts and you have any kind of decent lead generation, that should get you 1 deal.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.